others see Jesus in you. Let others see Jesus in you.
Perfect time to praise every man in his life and value what he has done for us. So on this very special day,
hold my hand lest I lose my way. Hold my hand and lead me home.
Story, be faithful and true. Let others see Jesus in you. Your life's a book before their eyes. They're reading it through and through. Say, does it point them to the skies? Do others see Jesus in you? Let others see Jesus in you.